Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here, thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and I'm going to walk you through the market here. I've got some new analysis that I want to kind of go over today. Had a pretty big move. I'm going to go over exactly what this means for this market. And I want to mention really quickly, we are offering a free 14-day trial now within the service. And it's a limited time special offer. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can take advantage of that. So here is the market. So this is the S&P 500, and I want to point out that overall, we're still bearish in the market. We're still making lower lows, lower highs. So please do not get confused. In the long run, we're still in trouble here, or I don't want to call it trouble, but still looking bearish, okay? Here's a high, lower high. Okay, so lower highs. Here's a low, lower low, lower low right there, all right? So lower lows, lower highs in the near term, all right? So with that said, today's action put in a little bit of a reversal signal. Now, could this fail? Could this fail? Yes, it could totally fail, especially when you are in a downtrend. These counter trend moves tend to fail oftentimes. So with that said, with that little caveat, that little disclaimer, the market did put in a reversal signal today. So what is that reversal signal? Well, for one, we had this support right here, there, hit it there on Wednesday of last week, or I believe actually that was Tuesday of last week. And then we closed below it right here on Friday of last week, all right, with this big gap down. So followed by today, we had a gap up and a close over the previous 1, 2, 3 days highs, all right, closing with a very strong bullish candle, closing at almost the high of the day, all right. So it closed over the previous few days highs. This is a big gap up. We had a gap down previously into Friday with a gap up on Monday starting this week. I believe that most likely the market will head higher from here. How high it goes, remains to be seen. Is this going to be some true bottom and we head back up to all-time highs? Maybe. I don't know. But I am seeing this as a sign of reversal. We're seeing the banks were strong today. We saw some of the major tech stocks were strong today. I think they're going to potentially head higher, specifically Google and Amazon. Apple is at a big support, and it put in a hammer today. And I'm mentioning this because these stocks, these individual stocks, are heavily weighted on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, and they typically decide where the market heads, if I could be super general. But so that's why it's important to look at those other stocks. So just looking at the S&P 500, this gap up over the previous couple days highs, to me that's a sign of reversal, and it's right around where we bottomed out previously, and we are seeing some individual names heading higher as well. So as far as targets here, near-term target, 2730, that was a level of resistance right there. It's also where the 20-day moving average is as well. So that's a level that could get a level of rejection or something like that. But overall, right now, short-term, I do see us heading higher. Just remember, longer-term, we're still making lower lows and lower highs, and I think that if we do head higher, even if we break these highs up here, I still think it's actually going to be a shorting opportunity, and it'll probably fake a lot of people out. We'll head higher, and everyone will think, okay, we're back to our old ways of bouncing and V-bottoming up, but I think that once we get up to, these levels up here, up to, 2880, I think that's going to be a level that we get rejected at and then continue lower from there. But short term, definitely playing the momentum. I see us heading higher in the short term. So with that said, I would like to invite you to join us here at thetradinganalyst.com for the premium membership. All right, and we have a free trial going on right now, and it's especially important for you to make this decision if you are, I'm going to move my face out of the way a little bit, if you're struggling in the market. You know, if you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you've lost money and you've lost confidence of when the right time to get in is, then this is what you need to do. You need to sign up for that free trial, because especially right now, you're probably realizing, you know, the easy money has been made, okay? When all the Uber drivers are talking about making money in the stock market, you know, they probably lost it all in the last couple months, okay? Because you have to actually have a plan, and you have to actually know what you're doing in order to make money in the market, and we do, all right? We've been doing this for about a decade. We've seen up markets, we've seen down markets, we've seen sideways markets. So what you're going to get when you sign up and join with this free 14-day trial, first and foremost, get to know us on the website. You're going to see what makes us different from all the other services out there. We understand that you have so many options out there to help you with your market needs, and we do things differently, and that gives us better results for ourselves and our clients. So I'm not going to read everything about that, but check it out, get to know us better. You're going to get easy to follow trade alerts sent directly to your cell phone, each with 100% profit potential delivered right to your fingertips. You can literally trade from anywhere. Most of our trades, about 90% of our trades, are swing trades. So if you have a full-time job, or you're in school or anything like that, you're still going to be able to participate in these trades because they are swing trades, and they last anywhere from 2 to about 30 days is our kind of window of time frame. Here's a few trades that we did recently that you can check out. If you were a member during this time, you would have been able to participate in these trade alerts and get these results. You can see what our current members are saying about the membership, and you can play these videos right there. And the main thing here, this is another thing that sets us apart from all of the other services out there, is we have complete transparency with our members. Okay, so when you sign up and join, you're going to get the real-time portfolio tracker feature. All right, and what that is every single trade that we've placed and we've alerted to members goes in the real-time portfolio tracker. So you're going to see, are we profitable? Are we losing money? Here's a hint. We are profitable and we are making money for ourselves and our clients. You're going to see that in the real-time portfolio tracker. So every single trade that we take and we alert to members is going to be placed in that portfolio tracker. We've been doing this since July of this year, and we're going to be doing it for the rest of the remainder of this service. And you're going to be able to see transparent updates. All right, we don't hide anything. Every single trade is put into that tracker, and you're going to be able to see everything with complete transparency. You're also going to be able to increase your knowledge immediately. We have almost daily member videos which cover trade ideas as well as educational material, and we have a full library of pre-recorded educational material, so you can be brought up to speed, you know, especially if you're not an expert in options yet. First of all, they're super easy, but second of all, you can get up to speed with those educational materials that we have. So that's pretty much it. You can choose either the monthly, the quarterly, or the annual membership. Totally up to you. All of them have a free trial, and I look forward to seeing you in there. I really hope that you make that decision because you deserve to succeed in the market, and I want to help you get there.